Okay, this is similar data to what you have. You have GDP for since 1990. So your top row is going to be 1990 and beyond. Here, what I have is week 0 and week 1 and so forth on a weight loss study. So this was a weight loss study up here. So this is a 24-week weight loss study. So the top row is just the weeks. I guess I erased something here. There's week 0. And I first go down to the very last row. And this is not the way I showed you in class, but this is what they want. They want equals, average, parentheses. And this goes, the data goes from I2 to I24 in my case. So I'm going to put in this parentheses I2 colon I24. What that does is you'll see it highlight. It calculates the mean for that row. I could do the same here for the equals median I2 to I24, and that's a colon for the 2. And then you have also these interquartile ranges. I'm not going to do that for you. You can do that on your own. Highlight all the rows that you want to graph. So you'll have 2 more rows, I believe. There's 2 more things that were asked of you. Do the thin cross. Let's see how I have the thin cross. I have a fat cross here. Becomes a thin cross. And run it across all your data. It's going to run up to this column. I have a graph in the way, so I'm going to move that graph. And what you'll see is I have the means and the medians all the way across down here in the last 2 rows. Now, here's the easiest way you can graph. You take the rows that you want to graph and make a scatter plot of, highlight them. Control-C to copy, or if you don't like that, you can do it the way I did it with banks. I went up here and I just hit that, and you'll see this little dashed line. That means I'm copying. Always make a new sheet. Go to the second row and then paste, but paste the values. Those are your means and medians, and you'll have some more additional columns too. And then go back to this thing and take your top row, which you have years, 1990 and beyond. I'm going to take my week 0 to week 24. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy it. It's going to become this dash thing when it's being copied. And I'm going to go to this new sheet, and I'm going to go to the very top row and paste it. Then what you do is you highlight everything. You go Insert, Charts, Scatter. And what that is, it's a scatter plot of the means and medians. This is body weight data loss of the means and medians over week. So the bottom axis is the week number. So the first row becomes my X's, and this becomes a pair of Y's. I showed you how to do this, to edit this earlier in a cheap way. Just go to this quick layout, choose this, and then you can change the titles the way they wanted to. So I'm going to put week here. You'll have year, and yours will go from 1990 beyond. And then you'll come up here and put body weight. For yours, it'll be GDP, whatever they wanted you to do. And then you can change this too if you want to. I'm just going to leave that off. You're on your own. This will be, you'll title it. You can change. If you click it, you'll be able to change it to whatever you want to. So that should be it. I'm sure. I think they wanted you to do a scatter plot. It's fine with me. Do a scatter plot. It's good enough you can see what that data looks like.